Air Jordan 12 Taxi makes a highly anticipated comeback on November 8, 2025, with a retail price of $215 after being last reissued in 2013. Originally debuting in 1996, the silhouette returns after 11 years, keeping the classic design details that established its iconic status. The sneaker features a clean white leather upper with tonal stitching, contrasted by a black reptile-textured mudguard, while yellow accents highlight the carbon fiber plate, traction pads, and heel tabs. Its timeless taxi colorway remains one of the most celebrated in sneaker history, appealing to both collectors and everyday wearers. Jordan Brand will release the pair in full family sizing, allowing new fans and longtime enthusiasts to own a piece of heritage. Bold design, legacy-rich storytelling, and timeless style solidify this release as a must-have for sneaker culture's evolving history.